I tried installing a Realtek driver on my Windows PC, but it kept failing with this message. The app you're trying to install isn't a Microsoft verified app. Pretty annoying, right? So how do we fix this? Let's start the quick tutorial. First, open Command Prompt as administrator, type regedit. Then press Enter to open the Windows Registry Editor. Now go to this path. You can copy this location on my description. On the right panel, look for a key named ACE enabled. If it exists, double-click on it and set the value to 0. If it doesn't exist, right-click gives word 32-bit value. Name it ACE enabled and set the value to 0. This setting disables the restriction that blocks non-Microsoft apps. Close Registry Editor and restart your PC. Now, try installing your driver again. It should work without showing the warning. That's it, simple and effective. Let me know in the comments if this worked for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech fixes.